Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're taking a look at the Aston Martin Vantage V8. Starting with the front, we notice the LED headlights, which when illuminated slice through darkness with precision. The front bumper is adorned with the iconic Aston Martin grille, its mesh pattern adding a sporty edge. The aggressive front splitter perfectly complements the car's dynamic design, showcasing its performance credentials. The car rides on 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, which are shod in high-performance Pirelli tires, providing the grip and handling you expect from a car like this. The bright red brake calipers add a pop of color and complements the vehicle's aggressive stance. The rear of the Vantage is a work of art. The LED lights and diffuser give this car a menacing look, while the quad exhaust outlets hint at the performance that lies beneath.
Yeah, man.
Stepping inside, the interior is a haven of luxury and performance, with Alcantara trim and leather-wrapped seats that exude sophistication. The seats themselves are designed to hold you firmly in place with bolster sides and the supportive cushioning that make them perfect for spirited driving. The intuitive infotainment screen and thoughtfully designed center console add a touch of elegance, creating a driving environment that's both premium and driver-focused. And that's the Aston Martin Vantage V8, a true driver's car where stunning design meets exhilarating performance. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.